This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Discover this beautiful updated home featuring a workshop and RV parking. Boasting 3 beds, 2 baths, and 1,397 square feet, it offers a well-designed layout with a generous living area, kitchen, dining space, laundry room, and primary suite. Recent upgrades encompass new paint, flooring, cabinets, countertops, stainless steel appliances, and beyond. Additionally, relish the patio, expansive detached 2-car garage/shop, ample RV and extra vehicle space, and fenced backyard nestled on a sizable lot. There is plenty of space for garden enthusiasts to put in garden beds and fruit trees. For more information, review the details below.